Welcome to Unveiling Uncharted Discoveries, top travel tips for exploring new territories. Are you ready to embark on a thrilling adventure? Let's dive right in. Tip number 1, research. Before you set foot in a new territory, gather intel on its culture, customs, and attractions. It's essential to know what you're getting into and respect the local traditions. Tip number 2, pack smart. Don't overload your luggage. Pack only the essentials and leave room for souvenirs. Also, remember to bring a universal adapter and a sturdy backpack for those unexpected hiking trails. Tip number 3, embrace spontaneity. Don't be afraid to go off the beaten path. Some of the most unforgettable experiences are found in the hidden corners of a territory. Get lost, ask locals for recommendations, and you'll stumble upon hidden gems you won't find in popular tourist guides. Tip number 4, connect with the locals. Engaging with the people living in the territory you're exploring is crucial. They hold the key to unique experiences and insider knowledge. Strike up conversations, learn their language's basic phrases, and immerse yourself in their culture. Tip number 5, be respectful of the environment. Leave no trace behind. Preserve the natural beauty of the territories you visit. Remember, we're all responsible for protecting these incredible places for future generations to enjoy. So there you have it, our top travel tips for exploring new territories. We hope these insights will help you create memories that will last a lifetime. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join us on our next adventure. Safe travels!